Jennings slow delivery, well played by the left-hander. It's going to be four. Nice, the ball. Just trying to throw his fingers under the ball. Same direction. Same result. Good performance. Lovely cricket. Lovely batting. That's over. Chester on leg side. Short leg. This time it's Hakar. I think they like the fact that Sarah Pereira has come into the attack.
To rotate the strike.
There we go, steering on high. This is towards the river as well. Over the side screen, into the river again.
They are the